Hello, everyone. Today we'll learn about MRI of the face. This scan is very important for detailed evaluation of different parts of the face, such as the sinuses, eyes, jaw, and soft tissues. So let's go step by step to understand how a face MRI is done, its purpose, preparation, and how to read the report. Let's get started. T2 Stir Coronal Planning. Plan the coronal slices on the sagittal plane. Angle the positioning block perpendicular to the hard palate. Check the positioning block in the other two planes. An appropriate angle must be given in the axial plane, perpendicular to the nasal septum. Slices must be sufficient to cover the entire face from the tip of the nose up to the level of the fourth ventricle.
T1 TSE Axial Planning. Plan the axial slices on the sagittal plane. Angle the position block parallel to the hard palate. Check the positioning block in the other two planes. An appropriate angle must be given in the coronal plane, perpendicular to nasal septum. Slices must be sufficient to cover the face from the glabella down to the larynx.
T2 CSE Sagittal Planning. Plan the sagittal slices on the axial plane and angle the positioning block parallel to the nasal septum. Check the positioning block in the other two planes. An appropriate angle parallel to the nasal septum must be given in the coronal plane. The slices should be sufficient to cover the face from the right pinna to the left pinna.
Sagittal plane. In this plane, we view the face from the side, as if it's divided vertically into right and left halves. This view clearly shows the nose, lips, jaw, sinuses, and part of the throat. It's also known as the profile view or side view, which helps to understand the relationship between bones and soft tissues. Coronal plane. In this plane, the face is viewed from the front to the back, as if we are looking straight into the face. Here we can clearly observe the eyes, sinuses, nasal cavity, and the inner structures of the jaw. This view is extremely important for detecting sinus infections, polyps, or tumors of the face. Axial plane. This is the top to bottom section, viewing the face as if it's sliced horizontally. It shows the lower part of the eyes, the jaw, the roots of the teeth, and the deeper layers of the sinuses. This plane is especially useful for understanding the course of nerves and blood vessels in the facial region. By analyzing these three planes together, doctors can identify the exact location and nature of any facial abnormality. Additionally, using contrast helps to make inflammations or tumors more clearly visible. Proper face MRI planning ensures the scan is accurate, detailed, and clinically valuable, helping in faster and more precise diagnosis. So friends, now you know what each face MRI plane means and why it's so important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more medical and educational videos. Thank you all. See you in the next video.